Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is all about decision making and we're using this. This is actually a lens cap. This thing right here will make all my decisions for me for the entire day. I think sometimes we forget how many small decisions we have to make throughout the day. So using this, I guess, is gonna help me realize kind of the stress that I put on myself when I'm making decisions. We're also gonna make a couple major decisions with it today, so I'm pretty excited. So we're gonna get into it. I just got up. We're gonna flip it to see whether I shave this little thing I got going here. We're gonna put the white side is yes, I shave it, and then the black side is no. So here we go. I shave it! So you'll be happy to hear I am now shaving the stash. Just like that, we got decision one done. So me and Zoe are arguing right now on who has to do the dishes. Zoe's gonna be the Nikon side, and then I'm gonna be the white side. So here we go. Whoa! Damn it! No! I gotta do the dishes. So today I'm shooting with Marley.
My philosophy on decision making is make the decision, the best decision that you can with the information you have at that moment.
Me and Marley are going to shoot today, but we're contemplating whether to stop at Cleveland Dam. So we're gonna use the coin and we're gonna try to make a decision here. So Marley's gonna flip it. Oh, hi there. White is Cleveland Dam, and we'll say that Nikon is keep going to our shoot. Here we go. Hey, we're going to Cleveland Dam. And because of this little thing, right here, we're here. I never thought about coming here today. See, I think that the hardest part for me is that even the smallest decision can change your life forever, and I always keep that in the back of my mind. Okay, I don't have to flip the coin to make this next decision. A snowball snow. We're throwing this right at Marley's face. There we go.
You died before?
No! He caught it! Me and Marley are shooting at Lynn Canyon today, and I can't tell you anything more. Something will be out in the near future with Marley.
Oh, and he's just like, yeah, I can pick up one. Nah, don't worry, I'm not gonna give you any preparation. I'm gonna let you come by yourself. This man's looking like a dingus right now.
I want to go down the somewhat difficult way down to the water. Marley wants to go down the safe way. So
don't blame me.
We're gonna flip the coin. We're gonna see what happens, Marley. Nikon says we go the tough way. White says we go your way. Here we go. Come on, Nikon. Nikon!
Which way are we going?
Right down that way. That's not even that bad. To be honest, if anyone's gonna fall, it's gonna be me.
How is it gonna be you? You have at least boots on. I have Vans. Vans.
It's a new kind of van challenge. Okay, one step at a time. Here we go. We're almost down. Marley's killing it. Marley, you're killing the game right now. Nice and safe. We made it. Almost. We're not there yet, but. Another coin decision. Does Marley jump from here? Yes or no? He out. See, I think to an extent there's no such thing as a bad decision. See, most of the time our decisions reflect our beliefs, values, and feelings. I think you're free to make any decision you want, understanding that there are consequences. See, I'm learning to trust my gut, having the confidence that I'm making not the right decision, but the best decision. In the spirit of making decisions, I think we spend the most amount of time making decisions when it comes to getting dinner. So we're gonna flip tonight. We're gonna really put this to the test. First one we're gonna do is we're gonna see if we're cooking tonight or if we're going out. Nikon says we're going out. This says we're staying in. Here we go. Ready, Zoe? Do you want to order or actually go to the restaurant?
Oh, I think that's a question for the coin.
Oh!
Going to the restaurant.
Okay.
This one is
picking up.
Picking up.
Okay.
Hey, we're
Okay, so
Picking
we're
up,
picking
that's probably
up.
bad.
Now we have to decide where we want to go. One is Earl's,
Oh, that's
obviously.
huge, obviously.
And the other is Domino's.
Ew, f you. I'm not going to Domino's. Like, fuck yourself. That's not even gonna be on. That's not gonna be.
I love Domino's.
No, I
No,
hate
listen,
Domino's.
listen.
Don't-
The Nikon represents Domino's.
No, we're
White,
doing a different one.
white represents Earl's. Oh no! I want a Domino's. So we have one last decision to make with the coin. In the fall of this year, we are heading down to somewhere tropical for a vacation. And we've been contemplating 2 different places. The Bahamas or Turks and Caicos. Both are a lot alike, so it's really hard for us to choose which one we want to go to. Icon's gonna be Bahamas. This is gonna be Turks and Caicos. So where are we going for our vacation in the fall of 2019? Well, I'm glad you asked. Hey, the Bahamas! Yay. Come on, pretty mama. No. Key Largo, Montego, baby. We're going to the Bahamas! I didn't have to make more of a stressing decision over it, and I'm happy about it. So we've used the coin pretty much throughout the entire day. I've realized a lot of things. I really don't make decisions as much as I thought I did. I don't make a lot of big decisions in a day, but I know they still do affect the outcome of the day. I've also realized that I'm pretty confident in my decision making when I come across something. I do naturally have a gut feeling about what I want to do, which direction I want to take it. All in all, I do think I stress about decision making a little bit. I'm not going to use the coin anymore. Thank you, coin. You did wonders today. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Something a little different. Like, subscribe, do what you gotta do, and I will see you guys on, what day is it today? Give me a sec, just give me a quick sec. Let me think about this. Process, Liam, process. Friday, Sunday, Tuesday. I'll see you guys on Tuesday.